The thing is hurting you.
I think I just number church again in an hour. Church again in an hour.
It looks like they carry all the church inside their stomach. This woman is in a serious case.
You mean, madam?
What as I am?
Listen, you mean after the injection of the doctor gave you injection. After that injection, your body
everywhere
torn and begin to burn like fire.
Sickness get worse.
From my head down.
From your head down is burning like fire.
Yes.
And inside your stomach
I could
now.
not eat. I could not eat anything because every time my stomach will fill up like if I've eaten anything.
Your stomach is very heavy, as if you are carrying this house. Very heavy.
True.
That's why you're holding the stomach now. It's troubling you.
Very hot.
Very hot.
Very, very hot.
And you mean today is your first time?
I could not stay. I could not even stand. If I want to stand, I could not. If I want to lie down, I could not. Since that day till today.
So who carried this woman come?
It's my brother. I came with my brother.
Please, who is the brother? Come forward here.
Come here. Are you the brother of this? Are you the brother of this sister? Okay, yeah, Sibo. Oh, the Kanda Quada to come. I said, Japan could measure. We're talking ye, I don't know, Nachi, Wakaya sister, Ladro, Unuleba and Asibo. So why Ibo? Was more of a senior Sibo. Yeah, but 1 year is an onya cable now.
1 year work a cambo.
What's that? Cadaver?
I found Bond to BC.
Eh?
I found Bond to BC.
Ndubisi onye?
Ndubisi Ruefo.
Iluefo from where?
I own the Benebe when I don't answer.
Okombonde boy.
Ebenebe, or cannot when I don't answer.
Oh, yes, Ono na Asaba. Ongo wa biasia Sababia. You are the one carrying him from Asaba to this place. So this your sister is sick.
Very, very sick. On I show you can. You might run in the
and it's not like you have never sick like this before.
Oh, yeah, before. And yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, I know. I saw Olucha baby 5 days. We don't have this thing. Even in buying a beer, just as if none.
Oh my God. They said that they carried the lady.
Yes, sir.
That the woman cannot stand, they cannot walk.
She can't walk, she cannot stand, she cannot even sit upright. It's like when I saw them, it's like it was when they came here that she could be able to. Yeah.
That is what I told my brother.
What did you tell your brother?
That as I enter here, see me, I can walk now. But the pain is there, yes. He says it's the power in the church.
Is it there's a power in the church?
Immediately,
because everywhere is a miracle galore.
Yes, Lord. Power.
Imagine church no go since 1996. Amen.
Amen.
Some pastors, it was for Odumeje, but the man wabela fuono.
Hey, Adam.
Onaba, look at the one pastor where get power yesterday. He have come out and begin to charge. Abido Cheka, that buska batch. Because they get power yesterday. It was a video many years ago. When we do oka, young man didn't have a pastor or business on a meda. We be the pastor. As well, one can have a pastor on business madakwa. Amen. Also, I'm going to drop on no my cap. Join on Diego. Mbidonago. Banamana meji. Piano. I got the power. Changes yet another one. You guade.
Mascara carry.
Welcome to see any images of say, "Dere mana go get I Diego." Dere a pray for nago. Hey, oh my God, well, my car, I get a mamu. Ta mamu chakwana mamu, well over bangore. Of course, I'm going to kanji.
Yes,
my phone and a melon.
No, sir.
Don't I'm going to kanji. If I can one year now.
So,
madam, are you married?
Yes, sir.
Where's the husband?
Is in Anambra. Anambra State.
Oh, in Asaba.
Engana came my brother, Makia.
Oh, you stay in your brother's house because of your sickness. Problem.
Exactly.
Sickness too.
Exactly.
Also, Kajana Befa. Uncle Mwansu to him. Onwa Kalusi Abio Nakulunde Befa.
Exactly.
Olueba Pia. In the Bavasia. Our Kaivana, Bokafaru. Adamma. Ongebada. Eh?
Yes, sir.
You are the one is Ada.
Yes, man of God.
Ingewa Bogane.
I'm on the way, son of a titi.
Are you the Diobala? Okay, the other Diobala. Okay, go on, which position?
Oh, number third.
Number what?
Oh, yeah, Keta company.
Okay, on your get up. Imanandi Ada, eh? Hada forget a cabono. If you call Ada, you're never.
Steady. I don't know. I just already
Yeah, no child, no come never.
Exactly.
Amen. Hallelujah. I be say cake me. Emi cake me. Is no kwampa mother cake. Anem nega nyat no maka cake. Ndada. Amen. I go to an apple 1 year okay. Amen. You do fana ba na ba. O se Adam cake o si emege. Maka oblu di o se abia nwanya. Ina ya kwaya. Eba no mu weke about nwanya na ya kwa ya ona ya na ya ma nkwa esi mmiri oki ye ji no ma ze ya aboko so ya tabala ya bugo kwa before ebukwa mi apolo na chote va na eri e ya baze keta na keta obuze onwa kwa ika blaze je kwa si ebili oko tatu ye jiwa mana otu oketa ojekwu na okwa nge wa bu ndubisi ndubisi ototo keta o me ya massage ototo ọgwa gị nwa na-ebugharị ịfọ ka esiri na-abịa kuri ya n'alụ ọ bụrụ dị ọsọ ya mmadụ shift
nwaanyị anọrọ gị
enwe ụmụ nwoke bụ katapila
nwaanyị anọrọ ofu ebe
nwekwa ụmụ nwaanyị bụ katapila na marriage amen marriage is a love me I love you mana new generational marriage akịta bụ cat and lad amen n'ime anyasị nwoke edebe ilu side ya nwaanyị edebe ilu side ya ụtụtụ apụta echekwa n'udo dị